Tayo na sa M. Tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino, matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Tayo na sa M. Tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino, matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ang buhay ay isang paglalakbay, bawat isa'y nais magtagumpay. May mga pagsubok sa pamilya at buhay, ngunit ang pag-asa ay abot kamay. Malayo ang gusto mong marating, mga pangarap na gustong abutin. Sa iyong landas, wala nang...
On behalf of M. Occidental Region, we would like to express our sincere appreciation to the Mitan Central Elementary School, especially to the school principal, Sir Jerry, for graciously accepting our donation of school signage and educational supplies for the students. It is our privilege to support initiatives that contribute to a positive learning environment and the academic growth of young learners. We are grateful for the opportunity to be part of this meaningful endeavor and look forward to continuing our commitment to community development through education, especially to LSET. Good afternoon. Thank you.
On behalf of the Mitan Central Elementary School, I, Gary Arzaya, the principal, I sincerely accept and appreciate the pledge of support from African Parents Corporation.